to Let's Make Drinks, the show where we make some drinks. Today we're making a cocktail called Between the Sheets, which is quite a strong one, but it's really nice. I definitely guarantee that you'll like it if you like the orangey sort of flavour in your life. So we're going to give that one a go. First, a bit of background. This is from around the 1930s, created in Prohibition. It's sort of a derivative of the sidecar, but it's really got a character of its own, which is, I think, why it deserves its own video. Right, so what we're going to need is white rum, Cointreau or triple sec, which is fine, a brandy, some simple syrup or sugarcane syrup, and a tiny bit of lemon juice. We're also going to need a coupe glass or a martini glass, whichever one is good. We'll just set that aside for now. We need a shaker, which I've already got an ice cube in. So the recipe calls for equal parts of each spirit / liqueur. So we're going to do 1 ounce of each of those, which is the white rum, Cointreau, and the brandy. Now there's a very sort of tart flavour to this. It's fruity, it's nice, but it's definitely in need of some sugar syrup. So we're just going to add in about 1/4 of an ounce in there, just to sort of sweeten it up a bit. And then we've got a 1/4 ounce of our lemon juice. Fantastic. So let's pop the top on the shaker and a shake for about 20 seconds. As you can tell, it's quite windy out here today. Anyway, pop that there. I'll give that a strain. So we're going to put a nice little garnish on there and then give it a taste. Nice, really nice. So this is a fantastic drink. We've got some orange flavours coming through from the Cointreau, some nice sort of silky texture in the brandy, and some nice sort of a zestiness. It's small, but there's a nice zesty kick in there from the lemon juice. But I definitely do think you should probably balance it out with a nice simple syrup, because otherwise it will be too strong for you. Unless you like your drink tart. If you do, cut out the middleman. Take this guy out. He's gone. We don't need him. But otherwise, if you want a nice orangey drink, this is the way to go. So, there we have it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time we make some drinks.